Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to translate this video from English to Germany. Just listen to the audio of the original, which is this.
I don't know how many of y'all were here in the beginning, but I explained.
And the translated one, which is this.
Echt, dass wenn Menschen zusammenkommen. Wenn Menschen.
Now let me show you how I was able to achieve this effect. Now we are going to use a free tool called FlexClip. FlexClip is a free video to editing tool and also has so many AI functionalities that you can use for your various projects. Now we are going to use this AI translate option that is available for all. So what you need to do first is to go ahead and search for FlexClip. This is an online-based tool that can help you to edit videos. Click on it and log into it. You can create a free account and just get started. Once you are in FlexClip, what you need to do is first to go and get the video that you want to translate. So to do this, click on create video here. Now from here, go ahead and load the video that you want to translate from your desktop. Just drag and drop into it and it should be able to load. So before you can start working on it, you need first to add it on the timeline. To add this video on the timeline, click on the plus icon and then it will be added on our timeline as you can. So let's listen into it.
Feel that when people come together, when people love, change can happen.
So that is the original language. It is in English. But now we want to change it into German. To do so, go to Tools here. And from Tools, choose the AI Translator option. Here it is. Click on it. Now here we have options to translate audio to text or translate audio to audio. Now in my previous video that I have just linked in the comment section, you can go and watch it on how to translate audio to text. But for our case, we want to translate this audio to audio. So go ahead and click on translate audio to audio. The first thing we need to do is to identify the original language is English. So we shall leave it at that. Now, the next thing you need to do is to choose the target language. This is the language you want to translate it to. So to choose it, go ahead and click on the down arrow and go through all the languages that are available here. And for our case, we want German. So go ahead and choose German. Now we have more other settings. You can choose the speed. I like to leave it at 1 and the pitch at 1. But there is one important thing. From our original video, the voice is female. And as you can see here, the voice is male. So before you can go ahead and translate, just choose the voice from male to female. We want this female voice. Go ahead and choose it. Now once you are done, go ahead and click on this translate function to start translating it. Give it like a minute for it to be able to translate. Here we go, it is done. Now let us listen into it and find out if indeed the audio has been translated from English to German.
Ich weiß nicht, wie viele von euch am Anfang hier waren, aber ich habe erklärt, wie das alles passiert ist. Heute habe ich meinen Freund Chance angeschrieben.
I don't understand German, but for this purpose and for the accuracy that I have seen this tool work, I'm sure that it has done the function pretty well.
Echt, dass
So
wenn
that's how you translate audio and even add subtitles from one language to another language using FlexClip. Now that everything is okay, go ahead and download your video. To download the video first, we have to give it a title. Once you have given it a title, click outside and it will be updated and saved successfully. Now from here, you can go and download. To download, use the export function that is here. Click on export and from here, you'll be able to export. If you are using a free version of FlexClip, you'll be able to download a video with a resolution of up to 720 pixels. For my case, I have a business plan and therefore I can download HD or even 4K video. So once you're done, go ahead and also choose the frame rate. I would like to leave it to 30 frames per second and leave the recommendation of the quality as it is. Go ahead and click on export. Now here, give it some few minutes. Here, give it some few seconds. It will render the video and download it on your device. Now the video is done and it has also been downloaded. So let's go and click on it and get the download file, and here it is. Let's go and open it and play it via
Echt,
VLC.
dass wenn Menschen zusammenkommen, wenn Menschen lieben, Veränderung geschehen kann. Ich weiß nicht, wie viele von euch am Anfang hier waren, aber ich habe erklärt, wie das alles passiert ist. Heute habe ich meinen Freund Chance angeschrieben.
That's it. Pretty cool. That's how you can translate a video from any language that is available on FlexClip. Thank you for watching and kindly give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now.